Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image completely for free in less than 3 minutes. Here we go. So first things first, you need an image. For example, I have this completely serious and 100% epic photo. Go to your browser, type in erase.bg, hit enter. Now that we're in erase.bg, once you're on this page here, you can either upload an image or drag it in. I'm gonna drag it in. Let it process, let it analyze the image to differentiate what the background is and what the background isn't. And then just like that, you can see that the background is completely removed. And the thing I like about erase.bg is that it does such a good job around the hair. Like, look at the difference here. It does a really, really good job differentiating what the central object is. So you could go, literally instantly use it in a thumbnail. If you don't happen to have an iPhone and you don't take your thumbnail pictures on your iPhone, then this is a great tool that's completely free that you can do with it. So as long as you're happy with the picture, as long as it did a good job cutting it out, go ahead and click download original size. Now that's gonna download. Go ahead and find where you downloaded it to. For instance, mine downloaded right here. This would be really good if, like, say, for example, you were making merch or whatnot and you wanted to remove your logo. It's a great, great tool to have access to. And just like that, we have the fully removed background image. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, so much for watching this tutorial. If you have found a better method for this, please let me know in the comments down below. I would happily remake this video or update the links in the description. If you can't find the particular one I used, if going to erase.bg doesn't work, I will keep the links in the description down below updated so that you can use those whenever you want to. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Consider subscribing possibly. Goodbye.